Alright, guys. Gonna make this video. I know I have been gone for like a week. It's because my little brother's at home. They get really loud. Um, I didn't end up doing this as a live trade because one of my little brothers is still here. He goes back to school tomorrow. He's really loud, so I didn't know he was gonna be if he was gonna be loud or not. But he's being very quiet right now. But I just took this trade here. So the whole idea is, this like, I'm trying to. Because I'm looking at the higher time frames, we've been hitting these. ES just took out this. Damn, I could have actually targeted that low. Fuck, I forgot about that low. Anyway, so ES just took that. Yeah, nah, I could have targeted that shit. Fuck, I didn't notice. I forgot, bro. Damn, I forgot. Shit, bro. Oh, that would have been an extra 40. Fuck. Damn, man. Damn, I ain't. It is what it is. Extra 40. That could have did me right there. So that's like an extra 300. 40 times 6. Yeah, I'll be up. Yeah, damn. Damn. Yeah, it is what it is. I forgot about that, bro. I forgot about that low. Because I did see that earlier because I was looking at the higher time frame. I was like, okay. ES just already took out this low here on their side. As you can see, they been took it out. But yeah, nah. I was like, maybe this could be an SMT, but now that I think about it, I don't know why I thought that. Because as you can see, we took that out. We have, nice ass retracement up here, and then it started going back down aggressively. So yeah, this should have been a clear sell side right here. Damn, bro. I didn't even I forgot about it, man. To be honest, I forgot about that low. But so basically, I'm trying to see like, damn, like, can we even long this shit? Because we are so long in price that I'm trying to see the possibility of longing this. I wasn't looking for longs because everything I'm seeing here is bearishness. I said, okay. We have these up here, and I think we also had a SMT somewhere. As you can see, the 4 hour tapped into that. We had a gap here, but they immediately filled it, then went back lower. And we had this SMT. Nice SMT. I was like, okay, if we get a closure below this fair value right here, I'm gonna get in. Put a limit here. I already knew I wasn't gonna get tapped there, so I went to the 5 minute and seeing how this formed. If this was gonna form below here, I would put it here. But then immediately started running back up. Like, you remember how I said I put a limit here? I had a limit here somewhere. I had this like this. Look at how price was so close to it. I was aware of this whole thing here. So, price going up there isn't like some crazy ass fucking idea. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was very possible price could go up there. But it just tapped into the wick of this fair value, and as you can see, immediate rebalance. As soon as I saw that, I was like, oh shit. I saw that, right? Price went all the way back up there. ES took out this high, same high, that became an SMT, and it just started reversing. I mean, it just started fucking like going back down. I was like, oh shit, this is an immediate rebalance. I got in right there. I got in right away, market order. It was like down here somewhere. It's a shitty ass feel, but it's the fact that this happened here. Price run up all the way up here, and ES taking out these highs up here, and this shit just started running back down. It's like, yep, this is an immediate rebalance. I got in that bitch right away. Boom, entered on this account too. It was like right here somewhere. Entered there, and yeah, that's it, really. And just targeted this low here. This could have been a better target, considering how aggressive price was. But it is what it is. See, as you can see, it's giving you a crazy reaction from that low, but could have banked more money. It is what it is, though, man. Yeah, nah. Yeah, I'm cool with this. It's a Monday with no news Mondays. This is a crazy ass move for a Monday with no news. People will always say don't trade a Monday with no news, but man, lately I've been like, I don't know, man. That shit don't make no sense because this should be moving like a motherfucker, bro. Even with no news. But yeah, now that was just a really clean, easy trade. Kind of sucks that I could have took more from it, but it is what it is, man. I don't got shit here. Make sure I don't got nothing here. This is the new account I was talking about that got reactivated yesterday. So this time I'm not gonna do some dumb shit. I'm gonna actually trade this shit properly. Damn though, man, I could have banked more. This one had more because I was scaling in more on this one. I'm a little bit more aggressive on this one, but not crazy aggressive because I literally only had like an extra contract on this account. Maybe towards the end I added a little more. I think I only had 4 contracts on this, and that one had 6. Let's see. Okay, let's just do this here. Man, I'm hoping this week. What the fuck is this shit? Oh, there it is. Okay, trades right here. Today's the 31st. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so I had 4 contracts. So you can see I was getting in there like really small size. I'll get rid of this. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, it was just quick, easy trade. Like I said, it could have been more, but it is what it is. So my initial entry was like up here. Let's go to the 5. It's like down here somewhere. Yeah, that would have been solid. That would have been real solid. Damn. Yeah, now it is what it is, man. I'm hoping this week is better than the last week, because last week was pretty ass. I mean, I still did okay last week, but could have been better, bro. I don't know, because like this week here, it was an amazing week. I was getting big trades. I wasn't doing anything crazy with those big trades, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't like risking a lot of money. Like how here is the same, pretty much the same risk, bro. But I don't know, it's just the moves lately just hasn't been as good for me personally, because a lot of people are making a shit ton of money out there. But it's still okay week. I don't like how big this was though, because as you can see, like the wins are kind of smaller than this loss here. But you also gotta understand that these are like one trade. It might say 10 trades, but because I'm scaling in. This could have been a bigger loss, but I mitigated that. Like really, this loss here, I wasn't wrong about the direction of the move. I literally got tapped out. Like as soon as my last trade got tapped out, that's when I walked away, right? As soon as I walked away, this shit went exactly in my direction. Because I don't think I made a video on this. Hold on. It was that long on, it was Tuesday. Fuck, let me get rid of this shit. Like literally, as soon as I was like, okay, I'm done, that shit literally went to my target. Oh, I don't think I can go back though. Hold on. It's the 25th. Right here. Yeah, it was like right here. Yeah, I got chopped up right here. I think I was targeting this high. Like, it was like literally like right here. Go to the 1 minute, I'll see it better. Yeah, no, fuck that. You get the idea. But yeah, nah, it's not a bad day, man. Cool little day. See how much we could have made though. So 80. Let's just say 80 points. No, let's just say 75. I have 4 contracts. That would have been nice. That would have been nice, man. Fuck. It is what it is. Go again tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.